Hello friends, myself Keyur Rakholia. I am founder and managing director at Heaven Designs Private Limited. Today we will discuss about some core problems which are hurdles in growth of solar EPC business. Later in this video, I will share some proven techniques and tips to overcome such problems. So let's get started. As solar market is growing rapidly, we can see the huge competition in solar EPC business. Lot of people just jump into the business without having any long-term vision, planning and enough technical knowledge. Many a time we see that many companies take project at very low cost to just get into the business and to build the portfolio. Sometimes it is impossible to execute projects at those unviable price while maintaining the good quality of the equipment. As a result of poor planning and low quality material in short period of time, energy generation start decreasing day by day from the solar power plant, and it ultimately leads to long time in ROI. So, due to such activity, we are seeing a two major effect in the solar business. First is consumer start demanding to match lowest price. Second is consumer start doubting on solar performance and good solar companies. EPC companies try hard to explain everything about quality and good service, but Indian consumer mostly go with low price products. We studied and did some research and we found that many visionary and good solar companies are facing such issue of price war and unhealthy competition which damages the trust value of the solar industry. EPC company work hard, invest a lot of time, money, energy to generate the potential solar leads to help them and grow their business. We found some interesting solution. Let me brief about it. Rather than doing arguments or explaining hard to customers, we started focusing on the visualization techniques and showing the future income and benefits through the solar power plants. We introduced the concept of solar pre-design in 2000 in Gujarat. We got incredible results. Industry owners started believing in good quality products and its importance. So let's understand first what is pre-design of solar power plant. We divided this pre-design of solar power plant into three major parts. First is 3D walkthrough video design and shadow analysis. Second is structure design and steel weight. Third is PVC power generation report. Each of above service adds a lot of value in process of convincing the customers. Let's understand one by one. 3D walkthrough video design. After visiting the customer site, we create the same industry 3D model in our software. We create all the objects same as on the site. We give them actual texture to make the model more realistic and impressive and render the images with your logo and your brand name. Then we place the solar panels in 100% shadow-free area. In our software, by entering the Google location of this place, we find the real-time shadow patterns. We show that in video with real-time clock as well. We create one 3D walkthrough video presentation. This exercise add following values in customer's life. Very first is solar company will have the exact site capacity. It helps to aware the customer about shadow in particular months. Solar EPC can provide the exact quotation. It helps to engage the customers in his industry solar design. Such a detailed work will impress the customer and help EPC to build the initial trust with the customer. EPC's brand value will increase in front of the customer. We recommend our clients to take physical copy of design photographs in the meeting. It helps to explain customers to in much better way. Structure design and steel weight. Solar panels and solar structures are heavy equipment. Many a times customer get confusion about whether his existing shed can sustain or not with additional weight of solar plant. So to satisfy them, we provide them total steel weight of solar power plant. We also provide how much weight will be there per square feet after installation of the solar power plant. And behind the scene, it also helps EPC to provide the best quotation because now EPC will also have the more accurate BOM. PVC power generation report. As a EPC company, we know that good design and good quality solar power plant produce more than 4 kilowatt hour energy per day per kilowatt. Rather than convey it verbally to the customer, we provide the complete power generation report. Customer may ask few questions out of it. Again, we will get chance to interact with customer and we can showcase our technical skills. Power generation report will also help to predict the energy generation, to finding out the shadow losses and and the cable losses, PID losses, and various different type of losses. With these pre-designed services, we have served more than 190 clients across the India, and we have many clients who is regularly getting design services from us. So the question is now, when should we provide the solar design to the customer? So let's understand this. This is very important that you don't provide such a detailed pre-design to every customer. We strongly recommend that provide pre-design service to only those customers who are serious to install the solar project on their roof. Number one, if you have successfully completed 2-3 meetings with the client and you are getting continuously positive response, then you should go for the pre-design. Number two, if customer is serious and really want to understand different technical aspect of the project and not only focusing on the price, then you should go for the solar pre-design. The next is how to get solar pre-designs from Heaven Designs Private Limited and what are the charges. We have wide experience in solar design engineering and consultancy, and we know that this is front investment for our customers, so our design charges are very nominal. We have provided a price calculator on our portal, so you can log in and you can calculate the price for particular project, and as per the scope of work you will have estimated price. In future we are also planning to give you the monthly packages, so you can check our website. All the links are given in descriptions. We have created a special design portal and mobile application where you can add all the site survey data, all the pictures, all the 2D layouts, and you can interact with our team. There will be one comment sections also, and also you can monitor your project progress. Every design you can get from our portal only. And also if you have any query, you can contact us, and if you want to grow your solar business, then simply just go to our portal and register your company. Links are given in description as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.